You're wired in. SmallCapVoice.com. Following is a presentation of SmallCapVoice.com, today's leader in investor relations, capital formation, and retail support. Now, with your online business briefing, SmallCapVoice.com's Stuart T. Smith.
Welcome all to another online business briefing brought to you by SmallCapVoice.com. And as you just heard, I'm your host, Stuart Smith. Now we're welcoming to the show for the very first time, JRSIS Health Care Corporation. They are traded on the OTC.QX exchange under the ticker symbol JRSS. I want you to follow along and learn more about the company by visiting their website, JRSIS.CN. We're lucky enough to be joined today by Mary Xing. She's the managing partner of Eden Hall Global Capital Corp Limited. They are the investor relations for the company. Here in the United States, JRSS is a StockVest client. The StockVest team of top influencers introduces today's publicly traded companies to a wide audience of investors from around the globe, helping public companies attain maximum market awareness, resulting in increased trading volume, a broadened shareholder base, and increased share valuations. With that, let's welcome Mary Xing to the show. Mary, how are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm very good. Thank you so much for taking the time to call in and speak with us today. For those who may not be familiar with who is JRSIS Health Care Corporation, please tell us about the company and the markets that it operates in.
Okay, thank you. JRSIS Health Care Corporation is a company. Its principal operations and markets are in China. We provide healthcare services and retail pharmacy to patients. Our vision is to develop an integrated services group based upon the company's current business model, offering healthcare services in the medicine and the patient market and in seven tier cities throughout China. We operate Jiarong Hospital and its two branch hospitals, collectively we call hospitals in China. And we have 950 beds, and we have 811 employees. We have operation spaces about 36,000 square meters, and located in Harbin, northern China. As a full-service medicine facility, the company provides a wide range of medical services, offers patient care and pharmaceutical in the areas of both Western and Chinese medicine practices. Our group has more than 40 medical departments. Also, we have a physical examination and other medical services departments in our hospital. We are currently operating in 24 hours every day.
Well, very good. Well, JRSS focuses on patient-centered philosophy, patient satisfaction, and high service standards. All medical personnel specialize in medical technology with high professional ethics for offering quality service, warm healthcare environment, competitive prices, and dedication to their patients. Also, looking back on the news, when the COVID crisis hit, JRSIS Health Care Corporation was right there helping out foreign countries by donating masks to them. So kudos to JRSIS for that. Mary, if you would, tell us a little bit about the team that runs the company. Let's learn about the management team.
About the company, where we have a strong management team. Firstly, I would like to introduce about our chairman and the president of the board of directors, and he is the founder of the company. He is Jinsheng Zhang. He was graduated in Peking University, also has this 30 years medical and healthcare industry working experience and management experience. Mr. Zhang is extensive experience and expert in healthcare sector. He has the ability to formulate the corporate development strategies and grasp the overall situation of our corporate development. So with his strong management and working experience within medicine and the healthcare industry, our group has huge and great growth rates during the development period. Also, I would like to introduce about our CEO. She is also the founder of the company, Miss Sun, Song Li Hua. And she has more than 13 years, also has more than 13 years experiences in management of medical and healthcare industry. She is familiar with modern hospital management system and familiar with medical regulations and related laws in China. She is responsible for business operations, budgeting, and the marketing and the whole company operation for the hospital group. She is responsible for this sector. Our CFO, Shirley Zhang, she is also director of the company, graduated with a bachelor degree from University of Exeter in British. She can speak fluent English and has over 10 years experiences in financial accounting in healthcare and the medical industry. Since 2009, Ms. Zhang is responsible for executing the company financial strategy, developing plans for growth to increase company profit while also reducing expenditure, identify investment opportunities and management mergers, acquisitions, assisting the chief executive officer to develop financial plans and managing accounting procedures. So Shirley Zhang, she is responsible for the whole financial department. I would also like to introduce about our director, Ms. Jinyan Hui. She is graduated from New Zealand as a master's degree she received, and she is speaking very good English and Mandarin and Cantonese. She has over 10 years working experience in international enterprise, various positions in financial management, primarily in New Zealand since 2010. Mrs. Xing served as CEO assistant in Idaho, which is a financial advisor firm. She has been communicating with professional service providers such as PCOB or registered auditor firms, USA lawyers, transfer agents, and market makers, and all those third parties. She has accounting, financial advisory experiences, and international studies, and also she has joined some IPO experiences and with management skills. We also have Yanming Zhang. He is our director, graduated with bachelor degree from China, Heilongjiang University. And he has rich experiences with China's legal system. He has established and implemented quality standards for patient care, monitor patient satisfaction and outcomes, ensures that all operations and reporting requirements comply with regulations. So he is basically responsible for legal side of the company. That's our main management team. We also have some very experienced and some retired, very good professional medical services sector professions in our hospital.
Well, very good. Let's look back on the year 2020 then. What do you see as some of the major achievements or milestones for the company here in 2020?
Okay. For year 20, so far until now, actually, even the situation in this year is not so good, but our company, the whole world, the virus problem, but even so, the hospital business, our business is still now very, it's good. We also have done some, we supported the COVID-19 virus, and we send our professions to the virus serious place, and also we have done this supporting, and we also send in some facial masks to overseas, including USA. That's a brief introduce about the special year this year. And so far we accomplished, I would like to say that from the very focusing from the revenue, we increased, we will compare 9 years of our audited figures. Our revenue achieved from In 2010, we have almost $2 million USD revenue, but until end of 2019, we have almost 32 million revenue we achieved. And so we have compound annual growth rate, we have almost 36%. This is a good percentage. And the patients, a number of patients we increased. We can see back from 2011, we have the patients about 124,000. But last year we have 3,058,000 patients we treated. A number of our hospitals, because we are our business model, we have a purpose, we have a goal to achieve our hospital chain throughout in China. So that hospital, currently we already have 3 hospitals. Until 2013, we have 1 hospital, but by end of last year, we already have 3 hospitals in our group. So establishing our hospital, we are step by step going to achieve our hospital chain group. Operation area, we increased from 2013 to 2019. Operation area has been increased from 3,200 square meters to 36,300 square meters. So you can see that our hospital is the operation area is a big expansion. Beds, originally we have 150 beds in 2013, and they increased last year. By end of last year, we have 950 beds. So that to look at the assets, we have increased from in 2012 we have about 1.4 million fixed assets in 2012, but last year, by end of last year, we already achieved 45 million fixed assets. That's so far we achieved.
Well, excellent. If you look at the remainder of 2020, Mary, what are some of the operational goals for the company as we wrap up this interview?
In China, that private hospitals are small and no large-scale medical institutions. So we are, at this opportunity, we focus on this development opportunities. We have plans to acquire more small-sized hospitals inside China. Basically, we start from second-tier China, because second-tier China, the cost is less, but the market demand is still the most, because middle-level people are mostly in China. So with more than 30 years of business experience in healthcare industry, management believes that we have strong opportunities to acquire. Our management has joined some associations for hospital industry. So we have many acquire opportunities. So many those middle-sized hospitals, private-owned in China, in our community we can acquire. And but our hospital is in our area is already a bigger size hospital already. So our goal is to attract business partners to develop a chain of private hospital groups in China, reach the top first of Chinese healthcare group chain. Healthcare chain group. This is our purpose, our future plan.
Well, listeners, once again, we're speaking with Mary Xing, managing partner of Edenhall Global Capital Limited, the investor relations for the company. Once again, JRSS is the ticker symbol for JRSIS Health Care Corporation, who is a StockFest client. Learn more about the company at their website, jhcc.cn. Mary, thank you so much for your time today. We expect great things from JRSIS Health Care Corporation here in 2020 and well beyond. Thanks, Mary.
Thank you.
All right, for Mary Xing, this is Stuart Smith saying